Hello everyone, we have an update to the Social Selling Assistant here. First of all, there's a link here available now through which you can see, you can always pull up the training documentation, and if you scroll down, there's a link here from which you can download it anytime. And this video, as before, explains how to install it. Now, once you have downloaded it, you have to make sure you have the right version. So if your version is 2.36, then that's the correct version. Otherwise, please download and install version 2.36 by clicking on that link. Now, with that said, let's talk about the one change that we have in this release. In each of the settings, we now have the option to also provide react in different ways using the emoticons. You can turn them off if you like, but like is always the default, but you can always turn them on. There is a randomized algorithm which decides on each post which emoticon to use. You have no control over it, and it decides it based on how other people have reacted. So essentially, if nobody has given anything other than like, then it will always choose like. Depending on what else people have done, it will use a randomized algorithm to choose one of these other emoticons if it comes up. So that's the main change. Everything else is working just the way it is. So if you have any questions, give us a call and support number. Otherwise, have a great social selling. Thanks. Bye.